The single equal sign is okay if you're doing a not equal, a greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to comparison, but not if something should be equal to something else. And that's two equal signs, not one, once you have a condition. Something else that's fun is you can actually do multiple conditions. So in this example here, I'm saying if the condition of x is equal to 3, so is x equal to 3? Well, it's 8, so no, it's false. However, these two pipes, as they call them, would be an OR comparison. So we're saying, okay, this condition is false, so we're not going to execute. However, is this condition on the right true? Well, x is equal to 8, so this is true. So because one of these conditions is true, whatever we have within brackets after the if statement is going to execute. Because we're saying if this is true or if this is true, then execute. On line number 2, we have what's called an AND comparison. So we're comparing two conditions and we're saying, all right, if x is equal to 8, which it is, and the value of s is equal to by, then execute. However, s is not by, s is hello. So this part here is true, this part here is false. And because of the AND, we're saying that both of these have to be true, and they're not. So this if statement will not execute. And we can even take this a step further and chain 3 conditions together. You can go as many as you want, but just be careful. And so line 3, we're getting very complex, and we're saying, okay, if x equals 8, which is true, or x is greater than or equal to 30, which is not true, but because of or, this segment here is equal to true. So it's going to go forward. And if s equals hello, which this is also true, then execute. So because one of these conditions is true inside of our parentheses, that's okay. Because we're also saying that this is true and this is true. Execute. So if this is confusing, just remember that these operators here are comparing one value to another value, whereas these operators here are comparing conditions. So one condition and another condition is being compared. And if we have an or, either or can be true. If we have an and, then they both have to be true.